God willing, we are starting off Sorshia Christian College, and this college was born or conceived by the inspiration of God. Ari awahi ring the leifi I 105 ne sang laga siya sang sarung room se. Ahi class 6 withili government oja sa sai. Kavri rana ishiwui ochi herai laga jo Matthew 6 with 33 rau ungram re de pare follow da. Awi oja ka saji to khai laga pastor sa laga ka sang ka ministry sa sai. Rarga kai de thum na mangmoye na oja to khai no ka cham ne ka chot na da. Kana ngarai lo rau jo ungsung ra da ha ngai. China 1970s late part of 70s le ali library hakla ge ji thei je laga thui laga rali even library lama the man ne ka tha ni library hakla ge mi khle ngarai lo tam rashungda da ta jina ali vision mi khai ji isa mai kharar le sore hoye ishiya anili vision ji practically itum ka tong ling naw ka kan Larik atam university liko choho laga larik riranlum san mi da ki kamak le benara larik tham khoi laga od la sa ser nga sake siwi thili ari amei kharar sore jili hi ali Mount Hermon school da hobok nga sake siwi thili ari anomera ungchepem da hi awi vision awi burden na needy ari Sorshia Christian College he established kasane ka unfortunately achakum ji meli uja recruit sa pokai ni ka ji ban political situation in a call off sa kai we call it off ka ari hi how long can we wait tam phung re ring phung re su phung re ka ji we wangai na in spite of all the adverse situation Sorshia Christian College achukum ji hopo house da isi sum khur ngorum laga Ari Sorshia Christian College advertise sa pokaire very soon ho pokaire now needy home academy hila atang awawi vision ji library haklang na thei ji is Mount Hermon School Sorshia ari needy home academy lagi infal la we Amei we nawakana Komrap International School da sim kurili larik matam lo to khau lo da wana awali chi ho khai jara double triple 1,000 times na education we feel hili rana he isi sim khuli khamine kha thalala mi aka mi khani ka tong ma sing bai thuki da mi aka we responsibly saugira Sorshia Christian College ke ji ungsapem Amei kharar we only son and America li Moody Bible College li kumati tam khui laga laga an hi singara de le de kleine ka koi mali pamau ge da athum hi ka tong a joint venture de ka ina hopo khami de ka matai la ke na bhaya Amei story na simkur chen ungchepem le khami vision ne chen now ka tong le hang ngai ba ya why do we go to Delhi, why do we go to Bangalore or Chennai? We can give better education. In a college, we associate professor more than 30 years. DM Larry Sadale. Saying each was just younger to me on education. We one of the senior most heads had. If we pray vunda DM college le Kegla Sadale economics le associate professor Sada. So we will take care of all this department. In the beginning, we want to give quality education. Now, ngarabing broiler maning mane, ATM machine maning mane. We have to build their life. We have to really shape them. And when they have that accountability to God, accountability to their life, kayakha, it's a real education. I've been in this education field for the last many years, and I've been going around to the neighboring countries. I've been visiting few places outside of India. Education he missed. The most important education masala politics ngarew na laga. Education mamila all sort of diversion. Ka real education hiwa ot sam ga phangwi government on sam mong chi mang maning ne. Hili once they pass out, they should be able to live on their own feet. Hili needy home academy hili pass hai bing tong hi atum sim kurli na now sera gaji hanglang hau ni ga kasim kurli hi matharan benava hi matharan benava vuda now ngarabing hina. In fact, they were really taking care of their family. So education is, what is education? Education is know your creator. Be dutiful. Don't waste your time, don't waste your body, don't waste your money. But God has given you. You are a gold mine. So education he mi ngai ubang Sorshia Christian College. After much prayer, so many years he doesn't shape karahi. Because of political scenario of Manipur have been hindered. But after much prayer, we are moving ahead, we are taking off. That's about the thing. So that is about Sorshia Christian College. And in fact, this place was a haunted place. Because this is Modbung, Thingsat. It is the cookie with border. Laga Meite now the Ningshiya Kahaya. Laga Tangkhul will last tip of the Tangkhul land. So with the real burden we have started since 2004. And schools are not built with money. Schools are not built with all the big infrastructure. But it is built by commitment. It is built by sacrifice. And it is built by a vision. Where there is no vision, people perish. Sina itum live rana traga so mi haire. Kika makle weda. So mi gai ramili ung laga vralin ningshiya soda. Imaramwi. Now ngarabing lala. We want to impart what we have learned. We really want to direct them how we ought to live. Oh, globalization becomes so terribly fast. Chile anchor sagi jiwa, real education man anchor sare. Otherwise, they will be just apping. They will be just copying here and there. So we don't want copycats. We don't want those broilers to have a good degree. We don't want to have a like atom machine to have a well qualified. And they are the monster of the society. Those who are so-called educated, look at them. What are they? They're really sucking the blood of the society. Because real education was giver to give out. So this Sorshia Christian College is mainly emphasis how to really have a real education and in turn to be a giver, to be a transformer of a society. She will motto, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Secondly, when God is with us, who can be against us? But people look at money. People look at surrounding. He was Sorshia Christian College, hopok the clay. Irang wa kon na sa sisa. Meeting liang sa cookie liang yang gara he. Tada full up car cookie basin here rawi ramne. Aram yang teye. Like Matino Biglo, Atum Teye the Hankavi vision burden clay. So this school is for God, for all of society. Yes, itum kapung dao. Li matalang target say. So for example, needy home academy he. Itum we have about 40 pastors with now ngarabing, social worker being. Then 40 of them. And we give the tuition fee exam free say. China other fee structure the name how get the but we are doing at the cost of a society with a vision. But we are not for money, but we are for a vision. For with God nothing shall be possible. We pray that one day this Sorshia Christian College will be a real lighthouse to our Manipur, Tangkhul, Manipur. Sena, we assure you to those who are seeking for college admission, you will get real education. And there is no regrets when we do anything with a real vision. There is no regret when we do the real purpose given by God. Thank you.